Still the lyricist, vocabulary physicist, and those lyrics are self-explanatory. Don't leave that off there.
And me was the most artist boy, and no boy can't take the title from Vice Cartel. Remember that.
Except the Lord build the house, they labor in vain that day.
VYBZ Cartel. Early beginnings, late 1990s, early 2000s. VYBZ Cartel, born Adidja Azim Palmer on January 7th, 1976 in Kingston, Jamaica, began his music career in the late 1990s. Initially part of a group called VYBZ Cartel, his talent soon outgrew the group's limited success. Pursuing a solo career, Cartel quickly gained attention for his lyrical prowess, with early works reflecting the gritty realities of life in Kingston.